Hey, it's Joey Atlas, exercise physiologist, private health and fitness coach. I've got today's tip for you. We're going to be addressing several trouble zones and problem areas, not just for the ladies, but for the guys too. Guys and girls, this is co-ed. This is safe beginner material that advanced people can also do by stepping up the intensity. But when I say intensity, I don't mean dangerous intensity. Gentle, slow, focused is how we do things in my world. That's how we train my clients, our clients at the studio, our long distance clients, and our total access private membership members. Today you're getting the freebie tips. Here we go. Trouble zones, problem areas. We're going to start with one of the main ones that women talk about in addition to the hips, buns, thighs, glutes, legs. Those I'm going to give you after this. I'm going to tell you where to get them. First one we're going to do is women and guys too, they want to tone up the arms. They don't want the bat wings flapping, okay? So we're addressing that right now. We call it the bat wings, right? We want to tighten those up. Here's how we tighten them up. Gently, safely, easily, at home. All you need is a simple rubber band. And if you don't have the rubber band, it's okay. Just watch. I'm going to tell you where to go to learn how to do this without the rubber band, without the resistance band. And then I'm going to give you the other tips too for all the other trouble zones and problem areas. Here's what you do. You get your band. Pay attention. This is simple, easy. You pull your elbow back. You got your good grip. Palm is up. All you're doing is flexing down like this to straighten the arm slowly. Pause for the isometric. And then up slowly, controlled. I know, you're already seeing all these other people doing this with their weights. They're flopping them back and forth, flopping them 2 at a time. What is that? They're all copycats doing the same thing because they don't know any better. Don't do this stuff. Don't flip-flop it back and forth. Do this. Even if you're using a dumbbell, set up with one side at a time, not two, one side. Palm up, elbow back, slow extension, flex. Feel that, see that? Yeah, we're working the triceps here, all of them. Hold the isometric. Gently bring it back on the eccentric. This is all about control, activation, stimulation, and engagement. Not about wasting your time with momentum like this. No. Slow it down. Pause. Feel it. See it. And then come back. This is how we tone and tighten the arms. You could do 6 reps, 8 reps. Then you're going to switch sides. And you're going to do the other side. You see that? I'd be doing the same thing, okay? Same thing. Then, what you do is, if you really want to target them, you take your band. We're going to turn the cam up. You take your band. Now, you got your elbow up in the air. Palm is up. And we're going to go up like this. Extend to the ceiling. See that? Extend to the ceiling. I'm going to show you the other side so you see what it looks like. Still slow, controlled. Extend to the ceiling. See that? See what's happening here? Tightening up all along the backside. Tightening up. Here. Tight, firm. Pause. Control, coming back. Here's what it looks like from straight on. Up toward the ceiling. Extend slowly. Pause it. Ooh, this is tight. Down slowly like that. There we go. Simple. No big weights, no going beast mode, no killing it bro, no boss lady weightlifter girl to get the results. No, that's all nonsense. Amateurs talk like that. Master's degree exercise physiologists shouldn't be talking like that, and that's why I don't. I'm bringing you something unique, different. If you want to target the rest of your trouble zones, problem areas, the saggy, mushy ripples, dimples, and shadows known as cellulite, yeah, I'm known for that around the world, okay? What I want you to do is check the link above or below. Check the link above or below. I've got more unique tips like that for all your other body zones, starting with the main lower body trouble zones that mostly ladies want to fix and do it gently without breaking your hips apart, without busting up your knees, without hurting your back, without hurting your neck, without even having to go to the gym. All you need is some floor space, your own body, and a couple of minutes to start getting the results, the changes and improvements you've been searching for your whole life. Maybe you've tried a bunch of things. Maybe you hurt yourself, you burnt yourself out. Or maybe both, you got hurt and burnt out. And you tried crazy diets. Crazy diets lead you nowhere. They just bring you worse results. End up where you started, plus extra weight added on because of the backfire phenomenon. Most diets backfire, they get you worse off than when you started. So if you like that little simple tip and you want more unique, real, effective tips that you can use for life and get all the results you've been dying for, all you got to do is hit the link. Click the link below or above. You'll see my mug on the next page with a whole lot more freebies for you to start using today. I don't have to sell anything. I start off by giving you things for free because my free stuff works. And once you see how it works, you're like, I want whatever else this guy has. He's the real deal. He's helping me. And that's my mission right now. Simply to help you. So click the link above or below. I will see you on the next page. And then I'm going to see you in my free group. You're going to get a link to my free group where you come connect with me and all the others who are already benefiting from the programs since I went online back in like 2005 or 2006. Yeah, if I'm new to you, you just opened yourself up to a whole new world that's going to benefit you in ways that I can't even describe to you right now. So as always, peace, love, and light. Keep letting your light shine bright. Keep fighting the good fight gently because you're worth it. And have a beautiful, awesome, blessed, and peaceful day and an even better night. Peace. Love you.